The latest projections from the Oregon Health Authority show we may be moving in the right direction.
The predicted resurgence in cases following reopening has stabilized, but there are warning signs that tell us cases could spike again. At the same time, case data and modeling indicate transmission has slowed.
For every person who has coronavirus, it is predicted they are now infecting one other person. That's down from infecting 1.5 people.
These numbers tell us that many Oregonians are taking action to stem the speed at which the virus is spreading. People are listening to Governor Brown's orders to wear face coverings, limit gathering sizes, and the hours that restaurants and bars are open. People are staying physically distant.
While the numbers show transmission slowing, there's still a long way to go.
We're doing better than many other states, with COVID-19 continuing to spread in our communities, though. We cannot let our guard down.
Earlier this week, Governor Gov Brown told KGW's Pat Doris it is far too soon to relax.
We are probably going to have to live with the impacts of the virus for weeks and months to come. And I just want to, again, reiterate that it's so important. Each one of us can make a difference by taking personal responsibility and making sure that we're protecting ourselves, protecting our family members, and protecting our neighbors and our community members.
The governor says the state strategies are working and will continue to work as long as people stick to them. The state is also working on mask guidelines for people as they return to work in their offices. Art Edwards, KGW News.